Botox, fillers, or plastic surgery are unnecessary thanks to Dermatude Metatherapy. Skin aging occurs at the age of 25. This is largely due to the reduction of collagen and elastin in the skin. With Dermatude Metatherapy, you can turn back the biological clock. By stimulating the collagen and elastin in the skin, Dermatude Metatherapy improves the overall skin condition from within. Your skin does the work itself. Dermatude Metatherapy gives you a brighter look, a firmer skin, sleek contours, faded wrinkles, and an elegant complexion. The anti-aging treatments of Dermatude Metatherapy are the 100% natural alternative for Botox, fillers, and plastic surgery.